Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show in this video that you can get a beautiful cloud ceiling like this for your gaming room with a low budget of $15. So guys, then let's see what other items are needed for it. But before that, let's see the plan. The entire RGB light strip is taken and then it is attached to the roof. After that, the cotton is pasted on top. So we need first RGB light strip. It cost me like $7 to buy this. I bought one with a 24 key remote. Then we need more cotton. I needed about 3 kilograms. It cost me about $5 per cotton. We also need the glue gun stick. And I needed about 20. So let's set the RGB light strip on the roof and see how it looks. So after setting the RGB light strip on the roof, it looks like this. 2 bulbs were set because both sides seem to be empty. Now let's see how to stick cotton on the roof. So first take a glue gun stick and melt it and apply it to the roof and stick the cotton. I am now gluing the unglued areas on the both sides and stick it like that. Otherwise it won't be possible to use it for a long time. Guys, it is very good if you were to hang gloves while applying this. So first I stuck cotton to the bulbs. You put more cotton to the bulbs and then beautiful. If you like, you can buy an RGB light strip with a 44 key remote. And you can put different patterns on it. Guys, we have to glue one more piece of cotton. Then we will stick the last piece of cotton and then we will see how the roof that we worked hard for 5 days will be. So you can see the roof that was built after 5 days of hard work. Then we will meet again in a video like this. So goodbye everyone.